And now to our Campus Close-Up series, where we highlight a select school per week. All this week, I'll be bringing you stories from Cullen Middle School. Principal Manuel showed us around her campus earlier this morning, giving us a first-hand look at how her students are preparing for the future. From high-quality instruction to dynamic programs and meaningful community partnerships. Principal Manuel also says that her school, it's all about empowering her students to be the best version of themselves in and out of the classroom.
What it means to be a Bobcat. Bobcat is a student that exemplifies pride of going to Cullen. And everything we do at Cullen is grounded in love. From how we interact with our students, how we interact with our teachers, how we welcome in the community, and everything we do. Everything we do is in love. So I lead with love, and I hopefully inspire my staff to do the same thing.
And coming up tomorrow on HISD Now, the home of the Bobcats is also home to HISD's first military academy for middle school students. That's just one of the many stories you'll see this week from Cullen Middle School. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss it.